total surface area is decreasing at this rate, so dA dt is decreased to minus 2 cm square per second. So rate of change of volume is dV something dt. So you need to put dA here, but we usually don't find volume in terms of A, so we just split it again. Then this is dA dt. So this case here, this is dr, this is dr. And the volume is 4 third pi r, 4 third pi r cube. Then area is 4 pi r square. Then the EVDR is 4 pi r square. DADR is 8 pi r. So DADR or just DVDR will be 4 pi r square. DADT is actually minus 2. DVDT, when the radius is 0.5, is this. There you go. So you get 4 times 0.5 square, that's minus 2, negative half. Okay lah.